Separate video, I forgot to show the actual remote start on the car, that it works. So anyways, what you want to do is you want to hit the lock button. Okay. And then right here, hit this 2 times and this should remote start the car. 1, 2, ready? Hold on. Lock. Sometimes they're a little finicky. There we go. All right, so you don't have to hit lock 2 times and make the horn beep. Just hit it 1 time and then hit 2 times and it cranks up. If you hit this too fast, it might not recognize it. So you gotta go 1, 2. And it is cranked. Don't know if you can hear it, it's so quiet, but it is cranked up. There you go. And if you want to shut it back off, hit that 2 times. Now when you remote start a car like this, any car really, with a smart key like this one right here, once the car's cranked, you can walk up, hit the unlock button or whatnot, get in the car, then just put your foot on the brake, hit the start stop engine button, and then the car is in the correct drive mode, so you can put it in drive and pull off. All right, hope that helps. That's a Ford Edge 2015 Titanium remote start. Thanks for watching.